A very good morning to all respected fathers, teachers, and dear students. Today is a remarkable day for all of us. We bid farewell to Reverend Father Suresh, Father Victor. We honor for their selfless service and commitment, and so we heartily welcome them for today's.
Gratitude is an attitude that makes a platform of memories for better relationship. The loving care, friendly correction, timely motivation, prayerful support, and above all, lived as one among us, Father Suresh. We know we miss you, Father. However, we cherish your memories and ask your blessings. Thank you.
Within a short time, Father Victor has created in our school a landmark sign that enlarged the basic to the fullness. With multilinguistic and multi-talented, you made us multi-personality to learn and to love. Thank you very much.
Respected fathers, teachers, and my dear students, good morning to everyone gathered here. We are indeed happy to have Father Vinod, the new principal. First and foremost, let me express my gratefulness to all of you who are gathered here. For past 4 years, I've been working here in this school, and your contribution, your sacrifices, your commitment really enriching. The teachers and students have done a lot of service for the growth of this school. Now, this is the time has come to hand over the school to the new principal, Reverend Father Vinod, who is amidst us now. And this ceremony will have 2 sessions. First, we'll hand over the candle, which is a sign of wisdom and knowledge. And second, we hand over the school documents and the key of the school to the new principal. Thank you.
Reverend Father Vinod, the principal of St. Vincent's School, Molachu, dear fathers, staff and students. Good morning to all. And here I am happy to speak a few words about the things that I heard here. The whole world revolves around some kind of changes. Good or bad depends upon the type of changes he or she makes. And education is a tool for a better change. That's what Nelson Mandela said. Education is a powerful weapon which is used for changing the world. And I am happy to say that I too part of education, imparting the educational values to the students for shaping them for a better society. And I really admire and thank all the staff and students for giving me such a wonderful chance, and I wish you all the best for the days to come. And here I welcome Reverend Father Melly, the manager of St. Vincent's School, Malachur, and wishing him the best for his future career. So once again, where you are, start from there. Use what you have, do what you can. Once again, wishing you all God bless you. Thank you.
ஒவ்வொரு பூக்களுமே சொல்கிறதே வாழ்வென்றால் போராடும் போர்க்களமே. ஒவ்வொரு இளையருமே சொல்கிறதே இரவானால் பகலொன்று வந்திடுமே.
Light is the symbol of knowledge and wisdom. Here we have the candle to guide the school, to guide the management, guide the teachers, students with the knowledge. And I entrust this light of knowledge to the new principal Father.
Knowing is not enough, but we must apply it. Wishing is not enough, we must do it. Quoted from Johann Wolfgang. As we step on this new academic year 2020 and 21, a year of great challenge, all of us are requested with the problematic conditions of the present time to work together to walk an extra mile to achieve the goals aims and minds of our motto of the school. And as we step on this new year, let us work together, support each other and do together to make a better and best atmosphere possible in the school campus and the environment where we are trying to make a change in the world.
Hereby, I hand over the administrative documents to Reverend Father Melly, the correspondent of St. Vincent's School, Malachur. All the best, Father.
Respected teachers, loving parents, and dear little angels. Everyone wants to be perfect and successful in life, but very few try to attempt it or attain it. You too can succeed in life, but what we need is three things. 1. Determination. 2. Perseverance. 3. Hard work. These three concerns, if you are into it, you can achieve in life. Now, we have taken the charge of our school. Hope we all can cooperate together and get a successful life. So that in the future endeavor, whatever we do, it may be a fruitful one and we can shine as stars in heaven. Thank you.